we're gonna make M&M cookies. First, we have to heat the oven to 150 degrees. And here are the ingredients. 1 egg, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 salt, cream cheese, and baking soda. First, and the coconut oil. First, we should mix butter and
the butter.
and sugar. And then what's that? Cream cheese and coconut oil. Then put it in the mixer. And mix for 2 minutes. While we're mixing, we're gonna pause the video. Then we're gonna put the egg in. Then continue mixing. Now we will mix our dry ingredients. The flour, the salt, and the baking soda. Mix it. And then we will mix it to the butter. Then we will mix it again. Or just pause. Hi, this is the butter. Now we will get the tray with the compartment paper. Then we will get a scooper and get 1 scoop. And then put our M&Ms. Then we can make whatever shape we like. Okay. Stoplight.
So what shape are you making?
Stoplight. I need red, yellow, and green.
So I'll help you.
Where's the green? Green, yellow, and reddish. That looks yummy.
That will be.
I'll make more.
So time.
Huh?
For this video, we'll just make 5.
For this video, we will just make 5 of them. Oh, I want to make designs. Happy face then. 5 minutes already!
It's okay.
Hi, here are cookies. A stoplight, happy face, and a normal cookie. Then we will put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Can you? It's just hot. Hi, this is our finished product. I wish you would like this video. Please like and subscribe. Now I will taste one cookie. Yummy. Goodbye.